In this video, I will show you how to change picture background in Messenger using Meta AI. So simply open up your Messenger. Now here at the bottom of the screen, right above the menu bar, you can see this Meta AI icon. Click on it. From here, click on this plus icon. Then click on camera or gallery, whichever the one it is. From there, choose a picture. Then write the command. You can write whatever the one it is. For example, change the background color from red to sky blue, or you could even say remove the people from the background, etc. Then send it. After that, it will take some time for Meta AI to process it, and here you can see the results is ready. The color of the background that was red originally has been turned into sky blue. You can simply download the picture and use it. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.